Hey everybody, believe it or not, I've been doing a lot of work on this to get it right, and finally it's holding up for over a month. So this is a sturdy station Rubbermaid baby changing station, and the locking mechanism is busted. So usually you have to push this to open it. The locking mechanism is busted. So I made a Velcro thing. You push it in. I made a little tab at the end, pull it here, and it comes up, and down comes the station. Alright, so it's usable, and you bring it back up. Now what I had to do is I had to make this hook part come over and be about 2 inches long. Anything shorter, it just came off onto this. This is on about a 4-inch going all the way across, with it up here too. And then you close it down, and then you make it nice and tight, and then you put this guy on it. Now it does come forward a little bit, but it's holding. So you make sure it's on there real good, and it holds. And hey, it's a cheap way of fixing it. This thing cost a fortune to replace. So hey, subscribe, see a whole lot more cool videos. Bye now.